Howdy everybody, this is Vic LaPlaca here with Marine Max Sail and Ski in San Antonio. Today we're going to take a look at this beautiful Harris pontoon. This is a 21-foot pontoon out of the cruiser lineup. This boat is equipped with dual Biminis, as you can see. We can also pair this pontoon up with a nice Magnum painted black trailer if need be. Nice boarding ladder at the front of the trailer, making it easy to board before you back down the boat ramp. We got the midnight blue fencing here. Has a nice shine to it in the sunlight. Don't have much of that today. We have pop-up cleats on all four corners. And then at the front port and starboard side, you're going to have your docking lights along with your nav lights. Very elegant, nice looking pontoon. As we make our way towards the rear here on the port side, you'll see that you have your fuel fill, making it very easy when you're pulling up to a gas station. It'll be typically located on the same side as your vehicle, or easy to use when you pull up to the fuel dock. This boat is equipped with the tow package, so easy to use to pull skiers, tubes, so on and so forth. And we have powered this beast with a 115 Mercury 4-stroke. Beautiful engine. We have our boarding ladder here in the rear, 4-step, stows away very nicely. And on the starboard side here, at the top of the fencing, you'll see that you have your outlet for your onboard charger. So you can plug in your pontoon, whether it's in your storage or in your slip, and the maintainer will take care of the rest. So that way the next time you come out to use it, your battery is 100% full. As we make our way inside the cockpit of this pontoon, you'll see we have a nice open layout here in the rear. Beautiful color combination of a light tan with a little bit darker cream color accent throughout the upholstery of this Harris pontoon. Got plenty of storage space behind the backrest and underneath the seat cushions. Behind the driver's seat here, underneath this cushion, you'll see that we have our battery switch along with our battery and battery maintainer. Plenty of cup holders to put those nice ice-cold beverages on those hot summer days. This is going to be the dual Helm layout of Harris. As you can see, it has a dual captain's chairs. They do recline, swivel left to right, dual armrests, making it very comfy. We are going to have a loading gate here on the port side of the pontoon. Very nice when you're pulling up to the docks to unload your gear or load up your gear, whichever it may be. Focusing our attention here at the helm, you're going to see we have our traditional 3 gauges, fuel, RPM, trim, 4 switches, master power, docking lights, nav light and horn. The master power switch there is going to allow power to run to our electronic accessories like our Lowrance Hook 4 here, very nice Depthfinder, and our Fusion RA55 head unit. It's a very common head unit in the marine industry. Bluetooth capable. It has USB and auxiliary plugins. It's very user friendly. I really like that head unit. Up here we're going to have dual USBs, so plenty of charging power. Those cell phones seem to die a little faster and faster on the water every time. Down below here we're going to have a nice little storage compartment. You can go ahead and lock up personal valuable items in there if you ever leave the vessel. This boat is rated for 9 people, or 1,225 pounds. cool little feature that I like about Harris that you'll see underneath their cushions. So they got these little canal systems built in to the plastic. Makes it nice so all that water that runs off the top of the seats will run into those channels and drain right outside the pontoon. We have our Fusion speakers, both in the front and in the rear of the pontoon. Helps carry that nice audio sound throughout the pontoon. And then of course the Bimini tops. We have the rear and the forward one, so you can either run with both of them up or you can run with just the rear one up. Well, thank y'all for coming on this walkthrough with me of this beautiful 2019 Harris Cruiser 210. If you have any questions in regard to this pontoon or any other pontoon in our inventory, please feel free to give me a call at 210-301-2507 or drop by one of our 3 locations here in San Antonio, Austin, or Lakeway. Thank you. See you on the water.